Who gives a fuck? When you dig a pit, always dig two.
No. I'm the fire king.
Yesterday, TVJ with them troublemaking self reposted a video from 2010 of Gaza Kim basically claiming that she was beaten up by Vybz Kartel and his posse.
While I'm getting the beating, I'm there asking, what have I done, and all I can get is that I'm an informer. 4 men beating a 19-year-old girl. That is very traumatizing. The day when I was beaten, the force that they went with, I urinated on myself.
Yeah, guys, so for those who didn't know or didn't remember, that's what happened in 2010. Vybz Kartel has not come out and said it's him. Actually, he did address it at Freedom Street. He said it was a dispute between Gaza Kim and her spouse at the time. But surprisingly, TVJ brought this up yesterday and reposted the video. And I'm assuming they're trying to tag it with the whole alleged situation with Lisa Hyper coming out and saying that she was beaten. Social media reacts. Check this out.
Yesterday, TVJ with them troublemaking self reposted a video from 2010 of Gaza Kim basically claiming that she was beaten up by Vybz Kartel and his posse. Well, she never directly said Vybz Kartel, because even in the interview she was not sure whether or not Vybz Kartel gave the order for his goons to put hands on her. Apparently them beat her till she piece up herself. Anyway, everybody's questioning why it is that TVJ has reposted this old video. What is their agenda? People, it's clear. TVJ wants justice. They're reminding people that Vybz Kartel, the man that you all idolize, is yet to be held accountable. Now, whether or not you'd like to hear it, whether or not you agree with it, is the least of the issues. The question is it true? And what kind of compensation has these ladies actually received after making these allegations? Now, we've heard it from Lisa Hyper. Before, we heard it from Gaza Kim. And of course, we've heard it from other women in the industry as well, not necessarily related to Vybz Kartel and his posse. TVJ definitely is a troublemaker. Because I don't know, say, the Gaza nation come for and curse and say on the death tear down the man. But clearly it has been a while. And I think statutes of limitations prevail when it comes to certain things. Gaza Kim did come out and say that after the situation took place, she has been blackballed in the industry. She did that on an interview with On Stage. She also said that Vybz Kartel never contacted her after the incident happened, and she has not heard from him since. She even claimed that she wanted to mend fences between herself and Vybz Kartel so that things could go forward positively. It really and truly affected her emotionally. She even said that she experienced a lot of depression and gained a lot of weight as a result of everything. What do you guys think about this? Do you think that Gaza Kim was treated fairly by Vybz Kartel and his crew? Or do you think that Gaza Kim needs to be compensated or needs justice?
You guys can tell me your thoughts on that below. Now, we're still on Vybz Kartel. So people were saying that him should have forgive Shorty for what she do, and that, you know, she's human, and some people that say she feels she never won out. But Nico Fire is saying no, she won out with him a long time and he would have liked to see Shorty and Kartel get married. But before we get into the clip, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check this out.
There's a woman left from foreign come to jail, go look for Kartel, you know, and right now Kartel and a woman got married, you know. We don't have a chick or child for him, you know. Member said that alone could have chipped Shorty head, you know. I remember say one time the woman give a little pum pum that when Kartel there prison. Even Kartel himself say him understand. But still the man never come out back and know say him start a new chapter with Shorty and say yo, I'm gonna marry her and go at the world with her and go mobile with her and him something. Because me personally, as a black man, as a warrior, said we too, would I rather say Shorty and him married and have a nice chapter ending with them 3 youth them and who kids them and get outside, they don't know them a part of family said we. Brother on a split justice, brother. But Shorty fake, she never give away the a real woman that. Cause she wall out with her, she wall out and she never come on the media come disrespect me and go up on no interview.
Do you guys agree? Let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't liked the video, go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel. So remember the young boy that was in a fight the other day with another child and he went missing? Guess what? They found him. And 2 people in my comment section were upset with me, saying that I shouldn't have said anything if you get, but I would like to see you guys stay calm if that was your child. But this young man in this video is saying that in lucky say nothing never happened to him. Check this out.
Hello, good morning. You see boy why in a viral video where they box up the people and pit me, why did go missing and then find him. You're lucky say them blood clot find him. But you see people them want take him away. I respect on you know what make me respect on you? Through him still a go to school. I don't know if he over 17 or over 16, but through him still a go to school, you give him a chance. Count your blood clot blessing. You hear boy? Count your blessing. Decide where you sleep on last night, sleep back on it. The people them want take you away, they're wicked, but they're not that wicked. Then look on you and overlook you and say, you're still schoolers, you're fucking lucky. You see all your parents supposed to go down on their knee and bawl and beg for a couple days while you're missing, you little pussy hole. And so when you don't beat up people, put in your school, you don't go missing. You do that on your out on social media, you go missing. I hope you learn your blood clot lesson and be.
Yeah man, hopefully him learn. But somebody was saying that I know take him away must be when they idle because the little boy father when he beat that done. But you guys can clarify in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe. So the next topic we're gonna talk about is Rosalie saying that Lisa I have too much man problem and she can't give her money. Check this out.
I put her come tell me I'm a big and stink.
Yeah.
So you know some big and stink and when they call me for run then you go work with them, you know some big and stink. Lisa I know she on the internet I talk about man this and man that I would take her over cocky big small like me need my money. You not too much problem with cocky you owe me. Me have too much problem with who you owe me. Cause she call me the money that she get took, you know. But anyway, now I'll leave that.
No, she don't worry about that. You know why? She know how long not with that boy, you know.
She got the joke.
Yeah. She call her money and say what?
She call me money and say she have fight one spiritual warfare and them choke her.
Menala. It's not a joke.
She tell me personally she call on my phone.
Yeah.
She have fight one spiritual warfare and them choke her.
So you know it's a God bless her now though. You know why? You leave her 50 grand because she knows she had to do right thing.
Well, if you can't money come blood clot, give me and leave it.
We just say
I just can't bother with she.
Too much problem come back, Lisa.
Too much problem with she and man and cars and decks and taps and
you come from CV, you can't help her out little.
with who?
With Dexter.
With who?
With Dexter.
Dexter's a married man.
Yeah, she did share that she is one of the wives.
One of who?
One of the wives.
And be my father too. True.
Vybz Kartel will be performing on the Wireless Festival in July along with Drake and other artists from Jamaica as well. So he was asked in an interview what are some of the songs should we expect that he's going to perform on stage. Check this out.
And it was just announced that you were performing at Wireless Festival.
Oh yes, that's gonna be
Trust
crazy.
me.
Man. That's gonna be crazy. Wireless. We coming to perform tireless.
I like that one.
Yes.
What can fans expect from your set? Are we going to hear a little bit of Untouchable?
Yeah, you have to hear all of that. Mean take away your foot, you know, and fever,
Hey.
everything. You know what I mean? Everything. Oh, ew. You know what I mean? Everything.
Yeah.
Never get the whole catalog. Just be at Wireless. If you can get tickets, that is.
I beg your pardon?
If you can get tickets, that is, because it's sold out.
Exactly.
I don't know.
So I don't know if because of all of the backlash what TVJ, Lisa Hive, Futa Hive and everybody else say, Mr. Vybz Kartel post this the other day. Check this out.
Who gives a fuck? When you dig a pit, always dig two. A fuck. When you dig a pit, always dig two.
I don't know if it's TVJ, Lisa Hype, Gaza Kim, Futa Hype. Me don't know who him at all, but you guys can tell me who you think it is in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a video. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.